today's lesson, we will be discussing about finite and infinite set, the cardinality of the set, and equal and equivalent sets. So first, when we say finite set, it is also known as countable sets as they can be counted. While the word infinite set, from the word itself infinite, the number of elements in that set is not countable. Note, sometimes we use ellipses to indicate that there are elements that are not listed down. And also take note, if we use the ellipses inside the elements of a set, it is considered already as a finite set. If we use the ellipses at the end of the elements, it is considered as an infinite set. Examples of finite sets. Okay, so we have set P, which contains 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. It is considered as a finite set because we can count the number of elements inside the set. Another example, set R, which includes the whole numbers between 5 and 45. Since there is a limit and we can count the elements or the numbers from 5 or between 5 and 45, we consider set R as a finite set. Another example, set X is the set of consonant letters. So we all know that there are 21 letters which are consonant, and since we can count the consonant letters, it is considered as a finite set. Another example, set Y, which includes 1, 2, 3, then we use ellipses, and then 10. Since we use the ellipses between, it is between the elements of the set, since the ellipses are between the elements in a set, it is considered also as a finite set. Now let's have examples for infinite set. This one, as you can notice, we use the ellipses at the end of our elements. Remember the note kanina, yung note natin kanina, if the ellipsis is used at the end of your set, it is considered as an infinite set. Next one, R is the numbers greater than 7. So what are the numbers greater than 7? The numbers greater than 7 is R, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and all the positive numbers greater than 7. So therefore, it is infinite. Wala siyang katapusan. So we consider this as an infinite set because pwede rin tayo umabot ng 1 million or greater than 1 million because 1 million and greater than 1 million numbers is still greater than 7. Next, set X contains the numbers ellipses, 6, 7, 8 ellipses. So which means all the numbers less than 6 and all the numbers greater than 8 are included in this set. And since there is no limit, we consider set X as an infinite set. So let's have this exercise. Determine if the following sets is finite or infinite. Number 1. Alright, number 1 is an infinite set. Why is it an infinite set? It's considered as an infinite set since there is an ellipsis at the end of our elements. How about number 2? Number 2 is a finite set because we can count the number of elements and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4 elements. How about number 3? Okay, and since there is an ellipsis at the beginning or the end of our elements, number 3 is considered as an infinite set. How about number 4? Take note or look at the ellipsis. It is located between the elements. So therefore, number 4 is a finite set. Number 5. All the people in the world. Number 5 is considered as an infinite set. Bakit? Everyday merong pinapanganak. So, hindi natin masasabi kung kailan titigil yan. Kung kailan titigil ang pagdami ng mga tao. So, therefore, we can say na infinite ang ating number 5 na set.
I'm a savage, yeah.